I lived in Mafeking, which is up near the Botswana border. That's actually where I first started getting into visiting game reserves and being somehow involved. I was surrounded by animals, surrounded by nature, and I think that's where my first love of animals and nature really started. I've always been the creative type, and I've always experimented with so many different things. But I found myself in this field where I'm working with animals, and they've become my passion. I've been doing it for over 10 years now, and I get to share my world with people from all over the world.
You're having a good time, guys. Yeah.